When it comes to all the replacement pieces and parts that we need for this particular Jeep project, we go with Crown Automotive because they are the industry leader in replacement Jeep parts. They've got over 10,000 different parts that you can look at. They've been around since 1963, and they've got the parts going back to the old Willys. They got them going back to the 40s, so they're going to have everything that we need for this.
The cool thing, too, is Crown Automotive actually makes parts not only dating back to the Willys days, but stuff for a modern Jeep of today. Now, that includes, parts and pieces that Jeep stopped making years ago. You can still get them, so nothing is off the charts. You know what I mean? You can find the parts and pieces you need. The other thing, too, is they actually identify the fact that Jeep owners are predominantly hard on their vehicles, right? They're going to abuse them. So the parts and pieces that you're going to get from them, they really stress the quality of them. They back them up with a 12-month warranty. So when you go to one of the distributors, get their parts and pieces, you have a little peace of mind that it not only was built as a quality part, but they're going to back it up as well.
All right, so let's take a look at some of the things that we needed for this. Here's the tailgate and the limiting cables right there. So that looks a lot better than the current non-existing one that we have there, right? It's a Bluetooth one. It's just not there. Door handles and some trim pieces for the windows and the door and all that.
Yeah, you've got the hinges as well right here, as well as some of the different mechanisms for the hinge set.
All right, let's fit everything.
Tightened up perfectly, good.
So as you can see, we mounted the hinges on there and just left them a little bit loose. That way we've got some wiggle room because we got to get everything lined up.
You want to try and split the difference between the gap here as well as the body line and try and make sure everything lines up. I think that's actually pretty good right there.
It's not like I can see any
come down
better.
a hair right in the back, hair, a little bit more.
Like a thick hair or like a
matte steel hair?
Oh, okay. Like a sweet looking, cool 80s metal type.
All right,
hair.
ready?
Yeah.
We'll snug that down. All right, let go. Was it holding?
No? It's close.
Close,
I think you
okay.
could tighten up a little more.
All right,
so that much I know.
All right, that should hold it for our head. What do you think?
I think we did pretty good. As you can see, the new parts make all the difference in making everything operate smoothly again. We got all these from Crown Automotive. Once again, I want to remind you of that. But look at that. Got the hinge in here. That thing looks good. This door didn't even shut before. And now it shuts perfectly. It's all lined up. And all we need to do now, we've got the window, the weather stripping pieces that go right here. Our buddy that owns the Jeep, he's got the rectangular window and all that assembly. So the next place that we need to pay a little bit of attention to is on the inside of the floor of the cab. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and let Bruno handle that because I thought of a few more things that we need from Crown Automotive. So I'm going to get back on the horn with them and get the rest of the parts that we need. Looking good.